Hello everybody, my name is Cosimo and I love to crochet. And today I'm going to teach you how to crochet the slip stitch. So yeah, let's get going. Oh yeah! Okay guys, so slip stitches are one of the smallest stitches in crochet because they're just basically a single crochet folded on top of itself. And you mainly use it to close off when you're making a project, or use it to shape your project, or to make it look pretty, which is what we're going to do with this. So, here's how to do it. So what you do is you put the crochet hook into the stitch, you yarn over, you pull through, and then you pull that loop through this loop, like that. So let's do a few more. Let's try to get to the end of this round. So, you go into the next stitch, you yarn over, and you pull through, and then you pull this loop through that loop. Then you go into the next stitch, you yarn over, you pull through, and you pull through that loop. So see, it's just a very small stitch. So let's do a few more. I'm going to do them faster now to see if you really got it. So you go into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, and then pull that loop through that loop. Into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, and then from that loop to that loop. Whoop. And then go into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, that loop into that loop. Bloop. Like that. And then go into the next stitch, yarn over, pull that loop through that loop. Bloop. It's like a scoop, as you can see. So when you go into the stitch, you yarn over, you pull through, and then you kind of like, yeah, to get the crochet hook through. Almost the end of the round. Go into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, slip stitch. And then into the next stitch, yarn over, and pull that loop through that loop. So you see, now you understand it. So I'm going to finish this off camera, and then we'll say goodbye at the end. Oh, what's that? What's that? You want one more? Slower? Okay, one more, and then we'll go to the end. So, you go into this stitch. You yarn over, you pull through, and then you have two loops. So what you do is you pull that loop through that loop. Wop-lop, like that. Okay, audience, you got it. You got what you wanted. Now let me finish this, and I'll see you at the end. Okay, guys. So as you see, this is the finished product. It's really funny. So see, those are our slip stitches. See that nice texture they give? It's like they put the crochet V's, instead of on the side, they put it on top. So you can use this for whatever you want. You don't have to do what I did. I just wanted to show you the stitch. It's, again, a very useful stitch, but I suggest if you're going to work into them, crochet them very loosely because they're really hard to work into. Make sure to subscribe. And like this video if you thought it was useful. Maybe comment and say, oh, Cosmo was so useful. Or comment and say, I didn't like this tutorial. Anyways, if you like what I do with all these characters, and maybe you want to get a pattern, you should go to my Ravelry store. It's in the description. And yeah, I think that's everything. So let me let my friends say goodbye to you.
Hello there. I want to say that you should definitely, again, subscribe to Creature Crochet Studios. And if you want to see more stitches, the playlist will be right there. Bye!